Their ability to adapt to various spaces and accommodate different lifestyles makes them an appealing choice for many homeowners. The need for sectional sofas stems from the evolving dynamics of modern living, where flexibility, social interaction, and aesthetic appeal are paramount. Understanding the benefits of sectional sofas can help individuals appreciate their value in creating inviting and functional spaces. One of the primary advantages of sectional sofas is their versatility. Unlike traditional sofas, which often come in fixed sizes and shapes, sectional sofas can be arranged in various configurations to suit the specific layout of a room or patio. This adaptability allows homeowners to maximize their available space, whether they are working with a large living room or a cozy patio area. The modular design of sectional sofas enables individuals to customize their seating arrangements based on the occasion, whether hosting a gathering with friends or enjoying a quiet evening with family. This flexibility is particularly valuable in homes where the layout may change frequently due to different activities or gatherings. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of sectional sofa ideas for home and patio. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Sectional sofas also excel in providing ample seating. Their larger size and multi-piece design allow them to accommodate more people than traditional sofas, making them ideal for social settings. In a world where interpersonal connections are increasingly important, having enough seating for family and friends can enhance the overall experience of entertaining. Sectional sofas can create an inviting atmosphere, encouraging conversation and interaction. Whether placed in a living room or on a patio, these sofas foster a sense of community, allowing people to gather comfortably and enjoy each other's company. Comfort is another significant benefit of sectional sofas. With spacious seating options and the ability to customize configurations, these sofas often provide enhanced comfort compared to standard sofas. Many sectional sofas come with plush cushions and ergonomic designs that promote relaxation. The generous seating depth and width allow individuals to lounge and stretch out, making them perfect for movie nights or lazy afternoons. This level of comfort can transform a space into a personal retreat, where individuals can unwind and escape the stresses of daily life. In addition to their comfort, sectional sofas often serve as a focal point in home and patio design. Their size and unique shapes can easily draw the eye, becoming a statement piece that enhances the overall aesthetic of a space. Homeowners can choose from a variety of styles, colors, and materials to ensure that their sectional sofa aligns with their design vision. Whether opting for a modern, sleek look or a more traditional, cozy feel, sectional sofas can be tailored to fit any decor scheme. This versatility in style allows for greater creativity in interior design, enabling individuals to express their personal tastes while enhancing the overall ambience of their spaces. Moreover, sectional sofas can contribute to improved organization and functionality in living areas. Many models come equipped with built-in storage solutions, such as hidden compartments or ottomans that double as storage units. This feature can be particularly beneficial in smaller spaces where maximizing storage is crucial. By providing a place to store blankets, magazines, or other items, sectional sofas help to keep living areas tidy and clutter-free. This organizational aspect can lead to a more serene environment, reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. The need for sectional sofas is also influenced by the growing trend of open-concept living. As homes become more integrated and spaces flow into one another, the need for versatile and adaptable furniture becomes paramount. Sectional sofas can effortlessly bridge the gap between different areas of a home, creating a cohesive look while providing essential seating. Their ability to define spaces within an open layout allows homeowners to maintain a sense of separation without sacrificing comfort or style. This functionality is particularly advantageous in modern homes, where open concept designs are increasingly popular. Another factor driving the popularity of sectional sofas is their suitability for outdoor spaces, such as patios and decks. Outdoor living has gained significant traction over the years, with many homeowners seeking to extend their living areas beyond the confines of their walls. Sectional sofas designed for outdoor use can create inviting and comfortable spaces for relaxation and entertainment. These sofas are typically constructed with weather-resistant materials that can withstand the elements, making them ideal for outdoor settings. By incorporating sectional sofas into patio designs, homeowners can create cozy lounge areas that encourage outdoor gatherings and enjoyment of nature. The emotional benefits of sectional sofas should not be overlooked. Creating a comfortable and inviting space in the home contributes to overall well-being and happiness. Sectional sofas provide an environment that encourages relaxation and social interaction, fostering a sense of connection among family members and friends. The act of gathering together in a comfortable setting can strengthen relationships and create lasting memories. Whether it's sharing a meal, watching a movie, or simply enjoying each other's company, sectional sofas play a vital role in facilitating those moments of connection. Sectional sofas can also serve as a practical solution for families with children or pets. Their larger size often means they have more durable fabrics and materials that can withstand the wear and tear of everyday life. Many sectional sofas are designed with stain-resistant or easy-to-clean fabrics, making them suitable for homes with active lifestyles. This practicality allows families to enjoy their living spaces without the constant worry of damage or mess, ensuring that everyone can relax and feel at home. In terms of design trends, sectional sofas are increasingly seen as a stylish choice that aligns with contemporary aesthetics. The rise of minimalist and modern design philosophies has led to a demand for furniture that is not only functional, but also visually appealing. Sectional sofas can fit seamlessly into these design trends, offering clean lines and sleek profiles that enhance the overall look of a space. As homeowners seek to create stylish environments that reflect their personalities, sectional sofas provide a versatile and attractive option. The financial aspect of investing in a sectional sofa is another consideration. While the initial cost may be higher than that of traditional sofas, sectional sofas often provide greater value over time. Their durability, versatility, and ample seating make them a worthwhile investment that can serve multiple purposes and adapt to changing needs. Additionally, their ability to enhance the overall design and functionality of a space can lead to increased property value, making them a smart financial choice for homeowners. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked sectional sofa ideas for home and patio. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.